Make a great choice today with the 2019 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: removable hardtop, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, mirror memory, convertible, navigation system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.